ArtSea, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the Zen Rollover, which is a beginner trick that everyone should know when they're flipping a balisong knife. I've already done this trick in a different tutorial, but it was a lot earlier, like 3 years ago, so I'm going to redo it right now. So I'll show you fast and then I'll show you slow, so here is fast. So for this trick, you're going to hold the knife by the safe handle, and that's the one without the latch. First thing you want to look at is you want to see that your thumb is here and your index finger is here, and you're holding the knife kind of in this position close to the hinges. And then what you're going to do is you're going to practice throwing the knife out like this, because you're going to be doing a thumb rollover. So just practice going like this, and you want the knife to go around your thumb. You don't want it to go right here and stop right here. Because I remember when I was first learning this trick, the hardest thing for me was not hitting right here. Because sometimes you don't throw it completely horizontally. Because that's what you want in this trick. Okay, so you're going to be throwing the knife horizontally, and then it's going to be coming around like this. You're going to be catching it on the bite handle. And at this point in time, when it's coming around, you're not going to have that much control over it. That's why the momentum's going to carry it. And then at this point, you're going to catch this handle, and you're going to do a wrist pass to avoid hitting yourself. You're going to hold the knife by the safe handle. Then you're going to throw it out, like that. And I'll do it fast right here. You're going to throw it out, and it's going to come around with the momentum like that. And you're going to land kind of right here in this position. And then you're going to avoid hitting your hand, see how the blade's right here? You're going to do a wrist pass to avoid it, and you're going to land in this position. So I'll show you it fast. So you're going to go here around, and then you're going to catch it like that. And that's basically the trick. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or go to my Instagram, ask in the DMs. The Instagram is in the description, and I'll help you through it. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them.